every day. Roughly 40 grams. It might not sound much, but when your food is a 1 gram minnow, that's 40 fish a day. He's not only catching food to eat, he's courting a queen. He presents her with gifts. Tokens of his affection. That win her heart. Now the hard work really begins. Kingfishers nest in riverbanks, digging a tunnel up to 1 meter long. The new couple shares the task, making a safe place to raise their young. The effort's worth it. A month after courtship, the pair are proud parents to very demanding chicks. And their fishing quota shoots up to 150 fish a day. It takes another month of frantic fishing before their babies leave the nest. They decorate our quiet river bends with a royal flash of brilliant blue, leaving Mum and Dad to take it easy again. Britain has cleaned up its waterways over the last